In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to take any bundle you already have, new or old, and turn it into a custom density matching K-tip. So if you are a hairstylist or a DIY girly, this video is for you. Also, this video is over 2 minutes long, so if you don't have 2 minutes, go ahead and hit that save button so you can come back later and watch it. So let's get right into it. I'm making K-tips today for my client that has fine hair. That's why I am making them. The standard K-tip is fine, but a lot of times the density is just too thick, especially for a client that has fine hair. So let's get right into it. These are the tools that you will need. A high temperature flat iron. Keep in mind the keratin will not come off the flat iron, so this flat iron will be used exclusively for making K-tips. You're going to need a set of pliers. These are used for taping extensions. Don't worry, that white part won't get ruined. The keratin won't ruin it. It won't stick to it. Next, you will need just a comb, nothing special, just a comb. Then you will need a pair of scissors. Please get a good pair of scissors. And you will need keratin. I like the Italian keratin. That's my favorite. It melts better. And of course, your bundles. Actually, before we get started, I just want to show you something. You want to make sure you get the keratin that matches the root of your extensions. You see, I have black and then I have a dark brown. Now, which one do you think I should use? We're not coloring his hair. I'm going to go with the dark brown because when I put this on her hair, it's going to have more of a seamless blend. So the first thing we did was took a piece of hair and we cut that track off, that weft at the top. Just cut it completely off. And then you're going to comb away from you. And this is going to get any loose hair that is in there. You see those little tiny pieces? You don't want those in your K-tips. After doing that, you're going to take a piece of keratin. I usually cut about these 2 to 3 inch strips, and then I place them on my flat iron, and you want to wait until it gets nice and hot and sticky like that, almost like bubbly cheese, and then it's ready. You're just going to take the hair and you're going to go over it with the flat iron and going away from you. Flip your flat iron over and do this about 3 to 4 times. You just want to ensure that you got the keratin spread it throughout. Next, I'm going to take those pliers and I give it like a really, really good squeeze 2 or 3 times, and then it should be dry by then. Then you're going to just cut across just to make sure it's nice and even. And then I go in and I cut the slits. Just like I said, she has fine hair, so I'm doing them very thin. I do not want to overwhelm her hair and cause her to have breakage. And you see how small this tip is? It is perfect for her hair. As you can see, the density match perfectly, and look how nice that bond is. And just like that, you now know how to make your own custom K-tips. So make sure you hit the like and follow button for more tips and tricks.